So I'm going to be making an exhaust video, the type of exhaust video that I personally want to see. Most exhaust videos seem to just be people starting up their car and letting it idle for 2.5 minutes. Personally, that tells me nothing about the exhaust. So I'm going to be showing you what I would want to see in an exhaust video, and telling you what I have on mine, and giving you just different perspectives on how it sounds. So that's about all I could think of. If you guys think of any other angles you would like to see, if I get enough, I might record another video, but I don't think this exhaust is that exciting. So, you know, just let me know what you guys think. I'm actually curious to see what you guys think, because most Honda exhausts sound like hot garbage. And I like to think that mine sounds a little bit more refined than most, but I could be completely wrong. So I'd like you guys to let me know about that. But if this video helped you out, let me by leaving a like, and just thank you guys for watching.